Hello kids, welcome to our learning time. Today we will learn something very exciting. All kids excited. Goal setting. What is a goal? A goal is something you want to do or achieve. For example, read a book, learn a new game, finish homework on time. Goals help us move forward. Small goals are best. Big goals can feel hard. Small goals are easy, fun, possible. Small steps lead to big success. How to set a small goal. Let's learn 4 easy steps to set a small goal. 1. Choose one thing. 2. Make it simple. 3. Decide when to do it. 4. Try every day. You're doing great. Goal setting example. Ali wants to read better. His small goal. I will read 5 minutes every day. That's a smart goal. Goal game. Let's play. Which is a small goal? A. Read 100 books today. B. Read 5 pages today. Yes, small goals work best. Don't give up. Sometimes goals feel hard. That's okay. Try again tomorrow. Every try makes you stronger. Always remember kids, all together. Small goals every day lead to big dreams. Set your goal, try your best, and keep going. See you next time.